Customer number 4786. Customer said she had no hot water. She had the hot water valve off. Turned the hot water valve on. She now has hot water everywhere. Said she had a high water bill. The repipe customer, she went and turned all the valves off under the sinks. Toilets aren't leaking. Water everywhere in the home except for the guest toilet. Customer had this valve shut off. We'll go out and check the water meter. No movement at the water meter. Customer does not have a leak. Continue to monitor the water meter and make sure that it doesn't move. Advise the customer she will need a new valve for her guest bathroom toilet. Customer went around and turned all the valves off under the sinks, and more than likely she broke the valves of the toilet.